Friends, this is the explanation of first question of the chapter enemy. The questions are on page number 47. I am reading the first question. There are moments in life when we have to make hard choices between our roles as private individuals and as citizens with a sense of national loyalty. Discuss with reference to story you have just read. Students, in this answer, you have to discuss the dilemma in the mind of Dr. Sadao, that how he had to make choice between his role as a doctor, as a private individual, and as the citizen of his country, Japan. As Japan was at war with America, saving an enemy soldier in such a situation would be against patriotism. But he has also in his mind his role as a private individual, and apart from that, his role as a doctor. So he had to choose between these two roles, and the question says that sometimes we have to make such choices, and this is according to our values, this is according to our thinking that we make choice. And Dr. Sadao made the choice and saved the enemy soldier, and he attended to his duties as a doctor and rather than his duties as the citizen of his country. Right, so in this question you have to discuss the summary of the chapter, and you have to show that how Dr. Sadao made a choice between these two things. Page number 47, second question. Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hana, his wife, sympathetic to him in face of open defiance from the domestic staff? In this question, students, you have to write that what were the reasons that made Hana help his husband in saving the enemy soldier? What made Hana, his wife, sympathetic to him in face of open defiance? Defiance means opposition from the domestic staff. His servants, her domestic staff was against the presence of enemy soldier, and they were saying that Dr. Sadao should not be helping the enemy soldier. And the question says that we can understand that Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor, but what were the reasons that compelled Hana, his wife, to help him save the enemy soldier, whereas her servants were against his presence? So in this answer you will write 2 or 3 points that Hana, being a wife, she had to stand by her husband in all the circumstances. As Dr. Sadao was saving the enemy soldier, as a wife, it was her duty to help her husband and support him in all the circumstances of life. So this is one of the reason that why Hana helped the enemy soldier. Another reason was that as a human being, she was sympathetic to the enemy soldier who was suffering. And we can say that more as a human being or as a woman, she had a natural, you can say, the sympathy. She had a natural feeling for the person who was suffering a lot, who must have been tortured by the enemy soldier. So that is why she was helping that man. And third reason, you can say that just like Dr. Sadao, Hana also got education in America, and perhaps just like Dr. Sadao, she was also thankful to certain Americans in her mind, and in return to their thankfulness, she must have helped the enemy soldier. So in this answer, you have to mention all these 3 points, that as a wife and as a human being and as a lady and as a person who was thankful to American, she must have helped the enemy soldier. Page number 47, question 3. How would you explain the reluctance of soldier to leave the shelter of doctor's home even when he knew he could not stay there without risk to doctor and himself? In this question, you will say that Sadao was sheltering the enemy soldier, and in the end he asked the enemy soldier to leave his house to go to an island so that he should be safe forever. But the soldier was reluctant. Reluctant means hesitate. He was hesitating to leave the shelter of doctor's home even when he knew that he was not safe, and Dr. Sadao was also not safe in his presence. So why was he reluctant? Why was he hesitant to leave the to leave Dr. Sadao's house? In this answer, you will write that the soldier Tom knew that he was perfectly safe in the hands of Dr. Sadao, and no harm could come to him in the house of Dr. Sadao. But if he would go out, and he may come into the hands of enemy soldier again, and he cannot think of going through the same torture as he was suffering at the hands of enemy soldier. So that's why perhaps he was reluctant to leave the shelter of Dr. Sadao's house, because he could not put himself into the same trouble again. Number 47, question 4. What explains the attitude of journal in the matter of enemy soldier? Was it human consideration, lack of national loyalty, dereliction of duty, or simply self-absorption? So this question asks about the attitude of journal in matter of enemy soldier, the American soldier. The question asked, was it because of human consideration that he didn't get him killed, or was it lack of national loyalty? Dereliction means neglect of duty, or simply self-absorption. So students, you have to tackle all these options one by one. You will say that perhaps it was human consideration, as journal told Dr. Sadao that he himself was in Princeton for some time, and that is why he must have certain sympathy. You can say perhaps. You can't be sure over this issue. You will always use the word perhaps in your answer. That perhaps it was because he also was in America for some time, and just like Dr. Sadao, perhaps he was sympathetic in his mind for that American soldier. It was definitely lack of national loyalty, because as a general of Japan, he should be doing something for the enemy soldier, because he knew his presence in the house of Dr. Sadao. Then it was definitely dereliction and neglect of duty on his part, as he knew the presence of enemy soldier, and in spite of his knowledge about the presence of enemy soldier, he didn't get him killed, and as general of army, he should be doing something for about the enemy soldier, or do something to get him punished. And you will say that definitely it was self-absorption as well, because journal was a person who was self-centered, and he was a person who was involved in his own affairs. He didn't remember his promise to Dr. Sadao. Page number 47, question number 5. While hatred against a member of enemy race is justifiable, especially during wartime, what makes a human being rise above narrow prejudices? This question is again related to the dilemma in the mind of Dr. Sadao. At one place, he was having hatred against the enemy soldier, thinking that he was his enemy as he was American. He had this prejudice in his mind that Japanese are superior race and Americans are their enemies. The question asks, what makes a human being rise above such narrow prejudices? We can escape these narrow prejudices by thinking that we are human beings first and then the citizens of our country. Dr. Sadao also rose above his narrow prejudices by thinking that his main duty was to save the enemy soldier as a doctor. So, in this answer, students, you will again discuss the things that are included in the summary, that how Sadao, though. Page number 47, question number 6. Do you think the doctor's final solution to the problem was the best possible one in the circumstances? Students, this question is related to the justification of the end of the story. You can get this question in the form that how you will justify the end of the story. In this answer, you will say that yes, it was the best possible solution in the circumstances, as with this solution, by sending the enemy soldier to the island, the doctor saved his reputation, his life, as well as the life of enemy soldier was also safe. He was out of danger, as he asked him just to wait for the Korean fishing boat. In this way, he did not have to get him killed. He didn't have to get him given to the enemy soldiers, to the Japanese soldiers, and he was safe out of the reach of everybody. And in this way, he saved his life, and with this solution, he also saved his career, his reputation, and his life as well.